Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of iknowlee. And listen honey, I'm gonna get into exactly how I do this sleek holiday festive bun on type 4 natural hair, because yes, my hair is kinky, it is thick, and I'm only going to use one product. Ciao. So let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. I did shampoo my hair prior to this process, and you guys know that when I shampoo my hair, I do separate it into 4 sections. So I'm literally taking these 4 sections and detangling them, and then I'm going to use my blow dryer with the teeth or the comb on the end, and I am going to blow dry through this entire section. I did use heat, as in high heat, on this section because I wanted it to get as straight as possible, and you will see why when we actually get to the ponytail portion. So I'm going through these back sections and detangling them prior to blow drying them, and then using the comb attachment on the blow dryer to really get the hair as straight as possible without flat ironing it. And as you can tell, when I get to the front of my hair, I am doing smaller sections. So my hair is loose, it's flowy, it's blow dried. I even had to take a couple of selfies, you know. And the one product that I am going to be using is jam. I did use regular hold, but they have levels to the hold, so pick whatever hold you want. And here is the trick to getting the sleekest ponytail with type 4 natural hair. You want to separate a section in the middle that's fairly small and apply the jam all around that section, and then smooth it in with a brush. This doesn't have to be like a hard bristle brush, but you definitely want something that is strong enough to smooth that product in. Then we're going to actually work in layers, repeating this same process. So I'm literally just clipping it out of the way, grabbing a little bit more hair and smoothing it down layer by layer. And just to make sure that it is a little bit tighter and really molding to that shape, I do kind of twist it up almost like you would a bantu knot. Once I actually finish working on the back portions of the hair, I am going to flip around and work on the 2 sides, and then of course flip around one more time and work on the front. I've kind of developed a pattern when I do these sleek styles, and this just seems to work for me. So back, side, side, and then go ahead and finish off the front. So I don't know if you guys remember, but like back in the day, we would actually grease our scalp or get our scalps greased. It's essentially the exact same concept as that, because you're parting the hair in smaller sections and applying the grease to the scalp. So once we smooth it all in, I am using a hair hook that I always use. I'm going to hook it to one end and then wrap it around. This is the easiest way for me to create a ponytail, and then I'm just smoothing it to make sure it's sleek, and I'm going to twist the remaining hair. Now I use 1 pack of braiding hair that's not going to cost you any more than $2 or $3, and I'm twisting it around my hair so that my hair is completely concealed inside of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to slowly kind of twist and turn, almost like I'm creating an oversized bantu knot. And once I get to the end, I'm literally just going to pin this bad boy into place using open bobby pins. And now we get to decorate for this sleek holiday bun. You definitely can't forget about the baby hairs. So if you want those, go ahead and sleek those into place. Mine were extremely minimal. And I'm also going to grab my wrap tape and go ahead and really slick down those edges. And this will also help absorb any excess product that you might have left over, because we did apply jam to every layer of the hair. After I let that sit and like finish my makeup, I'm going to take all of that off. And sis, look at this. This is freaking cute on its own, but we are going to decorate it by adding some gold twine to it to take it to the next level, because you know, for the holidays we just need something a little bit extra. So I'm literally just wrapping this around my bun, and I am going to bobby pin it in place because that's just like the easiest way. You guys to definitely keep in mind that when doing this tutorial, you might want to adjust the products that you're using depending on the weather and the climate, because this jam is super conditioning. You guys also know that I have faded back to black. I already posted the video discussing all of the details of why, when, how, and what, so I will leave that link below. But in order to keep my color vibrant, because you know we don't want anything that looks dusty, even though it is black, I am using the Dark and Lovely Fade and Resist box color. It does come in 3 different blacks, but I do have 2 blacks here with me. This is a jet black and the natural black. I am currently jet black, but I will be fading more into a natural black, and that is going to be super easy using the Dark and Lovely color. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Leave them down below, and any video requests, any hair things that you want me to do, drop them in the comments below. I'm also going to link every single product used and mentioned in the description bar below, so all you have to do is click that link. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Go ahead and do that right now. Thanks. That's it. I hope that I see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Tell me what you want, how you want it. Where's the remote? Stop the video. Where's the remote? Oh my God. What?